Hi, and welcome to a quick roundup for the weekend in November the 7th, and also a quick look at the markets for Monday morning. So starting off with Friday, we've got the market opening, moving lower from the 17,550 psychological level there. You can see that from the pre-market news, and then trading down to the 17,500 level there. Yellen spoke on Friday afternoon, of course, and then after she'd finished speaking, the market then traded back up 50 points, and that's about more or less what it did for the session. It's probably around about 70, actually. Let's just have a quick look from there up to there. Yeah, about 76 points. So a fairly quiet day for the Dow on Friday, and hence no signals until we get to the late afternoon, early evening, and 20:45. Too late to actually contemplate a trade as the market closes at 9. You can see there the market only just filled it anyway and didn't go on to hit the scalp. So a fairly quiet session, as I say. Hopefully things will pick up a bit more this week. And let's just have a look and see where the market's traded during the last week and what's happened. Let's just do a few alterations here on the chart and just widen things out a bit so we can actually see. So last week we saw the markets driving up to create new highs, 31st of October there, and then into the 3rd of November, which was the Monday, a quiet day for the Monday, and the same for Tuesday as well, and then the market going on to create a new all-time high on, I'll just pop that in there, on Wednesday. So driving through the 17,424 level and continuing to do this on Thursday, and then of course on Friday this also being breached, but not convincingly, of course. There's no new buying coming into the market. So the new all-time high for the Dow is 17,592. So we're over halfway now for the 18,000 record for this market. So it's just a case of whether the market will have any news this week to drive the market up to those sorts of levels. So let's have a quick look at that now. So I'm just having a look at the week ahead. Monday there's no economic news items. Tuesday no economic news items. And Wednesday is the same. There's nothing for the US. I'm looking after 2:30 p.m. here. Thursday fairly quiet as well. Just some news out there at 3 p.m. and Friday we've got a bit more activity from the US. Retail sales are out before the Dow. 255 prelim UOM consumer sentiment. So looking at the week ahead, it looks like we could have a fairly quiet session. We've got the G20 meeting starting this coming Saturday as well, so just keep that one in mind for the week on Monday trading session if you see a lot of volatility on the Sunday night. So this week, nothing really jumping out there. Certainly not for the Dow. There's a lot more economic news items in there than there actually looks, but I'm looking after 2:30 p.m. when the US Dow will be open. So again, a lot of activity beforehand, but we'll wait and see what the market does. We've got the retail sales out there as well on Friday before the main session for the Dow as well. So there probably will be enough volatility for the market to move, but we'll just have to wait and see. Talking of volatility, the market dropping on Friday from 11.25 down to 10.3. So again, we're heading back down towards these lows, and once we're back in these lows we could expect to see some form of correction. That is the market moving lower as well, so keep an eye on this one. 10.3, 10% or lower is the target we are looking for. And if you don't understand what the implied volatility is used for, then take a look at the video in the additional training section of the website there. Right, well, that's it for me for a quick roundup of the week's events. I will see you in Tuesday's Market Alert. Have a good weekend of what remains of it, I will speak to you on Tuesday. As ever, thanks for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.